Yuck. I hate all the products served in the students' vending machines like this one. All of the products in there taste and gross. I wish I can get real soda from the vending machines like what teachers get. Wait a minute. Idea. Ding ding. I will find the staff vending machine, which serves real soda, and buy something from it. Ha 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 ha. Awesome. I found the staff vending machine in this teacher's lounge. And yay! It serves real soda. Let's buy something. Yay! I just bought real soda. Oh heck no! I'm busted. It's Principal Ms. Perfsit.
Oh Lovelitchi. I saw footage from the security camera that used the stat vending machine. Did you?
Well, you will be really mad. But, yes, I did.
Oh Lovelitchi. How dare you use the stat vending machine? That's it. You are now suspended for 14 weeks. Get out.
Old Lovelitchi. I can't believe you use the staff vending machine. You know those machines are restricted to your school teachers and administration only.
But Dad, the soda and the student vending machines tasted gross.
I don't care. You are grounded for 284 years. Go to bed now.
What?